Fresh out the shop, won't crank.
A few minutes later.
Crank it up, let me hear it. Oh, won't crank, huh?
Man, stop.
Just like a phone, won't crank. Just like a phone. Just like a phone. Fresh out the shop, won't crank. I gotta go get him a jack. Got jack that old fold up. Well, I see you got them rollers painted. Oh, that thing hanging. Well, it must supposed to bolt to the transmission somewhere.
It just see the other part of it going on the other side. I got my open stuff. See that
See that exhaust up under there. Got them flow masters. I didn't know you had flow masters on. What side that is off? Got the X pipe. 2.5. That's why it sounds so good. Them open chambers ain't pretty much straight through. It hot. A mechanic shop, cause you had to work on this car so much, you like might well work on other folk cars.
Yeah.